Wow, look at them floors. And yes, this is in the garage. Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see, the floors we did in my dad's garage, they are tiles and they look really good, but the next thing we need to upgrade is going to be some lightings. Current lightings that he has is a fluorescent lighting, and these are not really good compared to like how the floor looks really nice. So what I got is I got some LED lights. I got these off of eBay. They were on sale for 75 bucks, and there are 6 of them. They are 48 inches long. They all come with the individual cables if you want to plug them individually through the area. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to link them all up. I'm going to link 3 on one side, 3 on the other side, and then also come with some cables if you want to kind of space them out. So what I want to do is I want to measure up here. I want to have like one line right here going, and I'm gonna have one on this side. But before I continue measuring and installing them, I want to show you the clip of how we did these floors, because these floors came out really good. But he's been using them for a while right now, so there are no cracks, nothing on them. They're really solid. So enjoy the time lapse of that, and I'll get back to the installing the lights. What are you doing? Yeah. Hard work pays off. Okay, here is a current lighting that we have in the garage. The mirrors help a lot, and it just kind of makes the garage look much bigger. I'm not sure how much is it gonna, how good is it gonna show on the camera, but let's install the new ones and then we'll compare. Alright, I have them laying down, so this is what I'm thinking. They're going to be linked together, evenly spaced on both sides, because they are 2 LEDs spreading either way. So it'll be right here and right here, and I don't want to kind of go past this point because the garage door, most of the time when you work on a car or something, the garage door is open, but I did leave enough space, so if I decide to go with one more light, all I have to do is buy a light and plug it in on both sides. So let's measure it and install it. So the lights are installed, 48 inches off the wall, 29 inches off the wall. So they're all symmetrical, same thing on this side. So next thing is I'm just gonna drill a hole up there and run my cable up and tie it all up in the boxes. So I'm gonna use this bad boy. It's gonna be right here. And I'm gonna drill a hole right here to push the cable up. And just like that, look at that, like professional installation. You like? Let's see it. All right, before we connect to the main power, we're just gonna test it out right now. See the difference? Bam, and that's only like 3 of them. And that's literally like 3 of them. You don't even need any more, but this should be fine. So, but wait till we connect these ones. It's gonna be night and day. Already is. All right, here are the boxes that I bought. I'm gonna use it up on the ceiling. Just gonna run a wire through them, keep it nice and concealed. And all is gonna be done up there. So after I'm done, I'll just show you the before and after. All right, the lights are installed. The middle one is gone. Got them all there. And now we turn this one on. I don't know, the camera doesn't do the justice on how bright it is. It's very bright. I'm gonna see if I can capture it with my phone before and after, but it's too bright. It's almost like a daylight. Curve it off, on. So you can see how much light kind of shines through, but it's really good. Here are the cables, how they run to the ceiling. Oh yeah, this is a must for any garage. Here is a night shot. You can see how much light is reflected from the garage. You can see my shadow. Because the camera really doesn't do the justice on the light. But it is a lot of light. Absolutely love it. A perfect combo. Nice floor with a nice LED light. It just came out too good, even though it was a little bit hot to install it, crawling up in the attic, but I got it done. And like I always say, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.